Hi everybody, welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike, and today we've got a return of AliExpress. Yes, I stopped using AliExpress a while back because their delivery was just so slow, but they've really changed their delivery speeds. It's like Temu now, so obviously if something don't arrive in time, I think they give you £1 credit. And I was having a browse on there, and they had this painting for 99p and it was free postage, and I think I got it within about 4 days. It was so quick. So yeah, I'm very happy that AliExpress have sorted their delivery speeds out. So let's get into this. Now this was the painting I was telling you about that is 20 times 30. So it wasn't until after I ordered it that I realised it was a 20 times 30 size. So let's get into here and bring out the painting. Oh, having said that, wow, it is rather clear, you know. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, it's not really a size I deal with, but that's my fault for not looking at the description. But as you can see here is of the Lion King, and I really wanted this for the tiger theme, but unfortunately it didn't arrive in time. Because I ordered it, I think I ordered it February, I really can't remember, but yeah, so let's get into here. Really lovely. I can't believe how clear it looks. So yeah, let's get into here. Wonder what colour tray we have, because obviously this is not Temu, it's AliExpress. So let's take a look in here. Oh, look at that. It's a little bit pixelated with Timon there, but Timon is quite a small character. He's a meerkat. There's no detail in the eyes for Rafiki, as you can see. Pumbaa's got no eyes at all. Yeah, this painting struggled a bit, which is what you see why I don't go for like 20 times 30 sizes, because you get no detail on it. But looking at that, they've got Simba perfect, you know, they've got that absolutely spot on, but it's just a few, I mean, them white bits might be the eyes, but there's just very little detail in this, and it's such a good painting that sticks okay, but there's just, yeah, just no detail really. Yeah, so there's the Shemetic 16 colours. I'm disappointed because, you know, it's such a, you know, the clearness of it up here is so good, and then it gets down the bottom and then it's like a little bit pixelated. So when I see no detail in things, it kind of makes me not want to do it. But looking at the symbols, they're quite big symbols there. So yeah, I don't know what to do about this one, because it's kind of not come out best. Oh my god, look at them. 3. Oh no, yeah, these will be all them individual bags. So you've got a brown there, you've got a very dark red there, you've got a purple, some blues, we've got an orange, and then we've got a beige colour, light blue, some red, another blue there, got sort of an orangey colour, a light blue, an orange again. Well, actually that's more like a coral sort of sea colour there. And then we've got a blue, gorgeous reds here. They're not 666, but they are 349. And then we've got a peach. Oh, here we go again. And then we've got, I think that's like a bluey grey. And then we've got a sort of orangey colour and a black. So you also get your Shemetic or Legend, which is this one here, as you can see. So obviously if you do decide to cut the borders off, you've got the Legend there. But Yeah, I think the reason why I only picked this is because there was no other size in it. But it's such a shame that it's got pixelation issues. I mean, these have got a few eyes here, but there's just no detail in these characters here apart from Pumbaa's mouth and the horn thing there. I mean, if you really wanted to, you could cut that off and then just use that bit, but that would be pointless. But yeah, not really sure what I want to do with this, because when I do a painting, I feel like if there's no detail, I can't work on it, but then I feel like I have to work on it to see what the pixelation's like. But overall, you know, it's a fairly good canvas. It should have been a lot bigger, perhaps a 30x40 or even a 40x50. But yeah, that's from AliExpress. Their shipping speed has drastically improved, so also you get your pen, boat and wax there with a pen. So hope you like that little unboxing there from AliExpress. Our next unboxing will be Temu. It's still traveling around at the moment on the plane, so obviously once that comes in I'll get that sorted, and then tomorrow we'll be back to doing that neon leopard. So yeah, so short little AliExpress there. I'm getting a bit fed up. We keep shopping with the same companies all the time, so I'm branching out a bit more to other companies now. Just have a bit of a mix up there. But yeah, apart from that, if you want it, I'll put the link in the description of the video. Please remember to like, share, subscribe on the way out of this video, and also tap the notification bell. You'll be alerted when the next video is up on the channel. And I shall see you tomorrow for more of the Neon Leopard. Bye bye for now.